Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue learning Chinese characters for body parts. In this series, we'll focus on the basic ones that describe different parts of our body. In early inscriptions, people used a symbol like this to represent the meaning of foot. If you look closely, it really does resemble the shape of an animal's leg. Over time, this pictorial form slowly evolved into the written character we use today. Today, we're going to explore the Chinese character 足, which means foot. But 足 is more than just a body part. In Chinese, it can also express the ideas of enough, fully, or worthy. Its meaning changes depending on the word it appears in. For example, 足球 means soccer or footy. 足迹 means footprint, trace. Here, 足 refers simply to the foot. 满足 means to satisfy, to be content. 充足 means adequate, sufficient. In these words, 足 describes something as being enough or fully sufficient. 不足 means not enough, insufficient. 足以 means enough to, sufficient to. Here, 足 carries the meaning of worthy, adequate for, or good enough to. Let's practice reading it together. 足 足 足. The character 足 is made of an upper part and a lower part. It has 7 strokes. A vertical stroke, a horizontal bend, a horizontal line, another vertical line, another horizontal line, a left falling stroke, and a right falling stroke. It may look a bit complicated, but don't go anywhere. Let's learn how to write 足 together. We follow the writing rule from top to bottom. First, write a small ko shape at the top of the grid. The stroke order is vertical, horizontal bend, horizontal. Then, in the center just below this shape, write a short vertical stroke. Next, on the right side of that vertical stroke, write a short horizontal line. Be careful. To keep the character balanced and visually pleasing, these 2 strokes should not be longer than the part above. Finally, at the bottom, write a left falling stroke and a right falling stroke. Doesn't it look like the character Ren, especially someone stretching out their legs? Did you get it? The character 足 is also a very important radical. When it appears as a radical, it usually sits on the left side of a character, like this. As a radical, it looks slightly different from the full character 足. The bottom left falling and right falling strokes are replaced with a vertical stroke and a rising stroke. This keeps the radical slimmer, so it doesn't look too large when combined with other components inside a character. The foot radical appears in many Chinese characters, and these characters often relate to feet, movement, or actions done with the feet. Let's play a little guessing game. What do you think this word means? 手足. We just learned that 手 means hand, and 足 means foot. So, does 手足 simply mean hands and feet? Not quite, or at least not only. When used as a word, 手足 usually means brothers. In Chinese culture, brothers are seen as being as important as your own hands and feet, something you rely on, cherish, and cannot be separated from. So 手足 is often used to describe a bond that is deep, loyal, and unbreakable, just like family. If you want to express a special bond with your friend, you can say, 你和我亲如手足. You and I are as close as brothers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.